Perimeter and area. Triangle as a part of a rectangle, area of a triangle, and area of a parallelogram. Look at a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? It is length into breadth. What happens when we draw a diagonal in a rectangle? You divide that rectangle into two equal triangles. The diagonal divides the area in half. So what is the area of each half? It is half into length into breadth. That is the area of each triangle formed due to the diagonal. Now, take a look at that triangle. It's a right-angled triangle. What is the area of that? Half into length into breadth. Here, the length and breadth are the two sides forming the right angle. So we can say that area of a right-angled triangle is equal to half into product of sides forming the right angle. Let's solve this. Find the area of the following triangle. Look at the figure first and write what information is given. In a parallelogram, base is equal to 5 centimeters and height is equal to 3.2 centimeters. Write what is to be found out. We have to find the area of the given triangle. Let us write the formula first. Area of a triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Put in the values and solve. Base is 5 centimeters and height is 3.2 centimeters. That gives us the answer 8 square centimeters. Hence, the area of the triangle is 8 square centimeters. Let's take a look at another one. Read the problem statement carefully. A garden in the form of a right-angled triangle has an area of 72 square meters. If the two sides comprising the right angles are equal, what could be the length of these sides? Read and think. The garden is in the shape of a right-angled triangle. So draw that first. The area is 72 square meters. The two sides forming the right angle are equal. So mark them. We have to find the length of the sides. This one is easy. You have to just substitute in the formula. Let's write the formula to find the area of a triangle. Area is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. And put in the values. Area is 72 and base is the same as height. So, we write the height instead of base. So that becomes 72 is equal to 1 upon 2 into height into height. Move 2 to left side and we get 72 into 2 is equal to height into height, which is 144 is equal to height square. If we take a square root of both the sides, we get height is equal to 12 meters. As we know both the base and height are of the same length, base is equal to 12 meters. And that gives us the answer. The length of the side of the garden is 12 meters. Let's try one more. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD if BD is 16.8 centimeters, AM is equal to 8.6 centimeters, and CN is equal to 10.2 centimeters. Here, AM and CN are perpendicular to BD. Here, we have a diagram. Let's put in the information that is given into the diagram. What do we have to find? The area of the figure. As you can see, this is actually two triangles. One is triangle ADB and the other is triangle BCD. For each of these triangles, we have the base and the altitude. So we can find the area of each triangle and then we can add up the areas to get the area of the full figure. So let's solve it. Area of a triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Put in the values and we get 1 upon 2 into base into height, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into 16.8 into 8.6. We simplify it and we get the area of triangle ADB, which is equal to 72.24 square centimeters. Now find the area of a triangle BCD. Area of a triangle BCD is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Put in the values and we get 1 upon 2 into 16.8 into 10.2. We simplify it and we get the area of triangle BCD, which is equal to 85.68 square centimeters. Now we have to add the areas of both the triangles. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of a triangle ADB plus area of a triangle BCD, which is equal to 72.24 square centimeters plus 85.68 square centimeters, that is 157.92 square centimeters. Therefore, the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is 157.92 square centimeters. Let's take a look at another one. In a right-angled triangle ABC, BC is equal to 15 centimeters, AB is equal to 7 centimeters and AC is equal to 14 centimeters. What is the length of the segment AD? How will you do this? I'll give you a hint. Consider the area of the triangle in two ways. Look for two pairs of bases and heights. It's the same triangle, so the area will not change at all. First way, base is equal to BC, height is equal to AD. Second way, base is equal to AB and height is equal to AC. Did you get it? Area triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, which is equal to half into AB into AC, which is equal to half into AD into BC. Therefore, half into AB into AC is equal to half into AD into BC. Therefore, AB into AC is equal to AD into BC. Therefore, 7 into 14 is equal to AD into 15. Therefore, AD is equal to 6.53 centimeters.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.